We had the session of food production practical today, right? So I believe you have made a lot of fresh dishes today, which you have learned as well. All right. So I will ask one by one, all right, the respective students how they have prepared, what they have done. All right. So you have to explain me since the beginning. All right. How did you begin with every particular dish? Okay. For example, if you are talking about the sauces. So we will explain entire method of cooking. Okay, how do you made it? What are the ingredients? All right, what is the proportion if you know? Okay, and further on, how did you prepare it? All right. So starting with the chef Rahul. All right, Rahul, can you explain me with the sauces?
Yeah, sure, sir. This is bechamel sauce, also known as white sauce.
White sauce.
And bechamel sauce. I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
We have made two derivatives of it. For preparing bechamel sauce, we first of all just boil the milk, and we add clot in it. Clot is a piece of half piece of onion.
Okay.
In which we just plucked cloves.
Cloves. Okay.
And we added it in the milk.
Okay.
When it gets boiled, after that we have made two derivatives of it. First one is Mornay sauce.
Mornay sauce. Okay.
We have added cheese in it. Also, it is also known as cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce. Okay.
Second one is creme sauce.
Creme sauce. Okay. Good.
We have added fresh cream to it. The second sauce is velouté sauce.
Velouté. Okay.
We also have prepared two derivatives of it.
All right. Good.
Then the third one is espagnole sauce.
Espagnole. Okay.
Which is served with the grilled chicken.
Okay.
Also, we have two derivatives of it.
That are?
Those are first one is bigarde.
Bigarde.
And the second is demi-glace.
Demi-glace. Yes. Okay. Good.
Okay, Rahul sir, like you didn't mention what is the thickening agent you have used in this sauce?
So the thickening agent we have used in it is roux.
Okay,
which is prepared with equal amount of refined flour and butter. When we cook it in the equal amount, we get a thickening agent called roux.
Okay, great. It is sufficient.
And I think that is the base of the sauce as well, right?
Yes,
the roux is base for this sauce. Okay,
yes,
very good. So you explained very well with the sauce. All right. Can you explain any one of the dish beginning with?
Yeah, sure, sir. As we have prepared grilled glazed chicken,
all right.
I will explain this.
Sure.
First of all, we marinated the chicken breast piece.
All right.
With some oil.
Oil. Okay.
Salt and pepper.
Good.
You can use it. Then we left it for marination.
All right.
Till the time we prepared the stock.
So for how long you left it for marination?
So when the stock get prepared,
all right. So something around 30 minutes.
So yes,
25
to 30 minutes.
And how did you prepare the stock?
First of all, we boiled the water.
Okay.
We deboned the chicken breast piece. We added the bone piece in the water.
All right.
And we added mirepoix, like onion, carrot, celery, and also then we added bouquet garnis, thyme, leek, and so on.
So how do you prepare this bouquet garni?
Bouquet garnis are simple, like salt and pepper, and black pepper, and leek, thyme.
All right. And then you just boil it along with the stock.
Sir, we didn't boil it.
Okay.
It is a process called simmering.
Simmering, very good.
Simmering it.
All right.
In which we just cook the stock in moderate flaming.
All right. So can you explain me what bouquet garni actually gives to the stock?
So in bouquet garni provides it the aromas and the flavors.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. And then can you continue further?
Yes, sir. We kept the stock in the flame, in the moderate flaming.
Sure.
Then we used a griller in it.
Okay.
Griller, we brushed it with fat a little bit.
Okay.
And then we put the marinated chicken breast piece in it.
Very good.
We grilled it from the both sides.
All right.
After it gets a lining texture of the grill. Then we added stock in it, and we cooked it inside the steam after covering it.
All right.
Yes, sir.
And then you cooked it for how long?
Just few minutes, for 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay.
It gets cooked with the steam, or not only a steam of water, Also, we cooked it with the steam of stock which we prepared from the deboning of chicken piece.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you explain me the vegetables which
Yes,
are
sir.
there? It looks very nice.
Yes, sir. Then we grilled the vegetables also.
Like
Here, you can see. This is a piece of orange.
orange, okay.
Yes, sir. And it is celery.
Celery, good.
These are beans, green beans.
Okay.
It is tomato.
Mm-hmm.
And these are the carrots.
All right. So they are just grilled.
We grilled it and served it with the chicken piece.
All right. That's very good. Okay. Thank you, Chef Rahul.
Thank you, sir.
All right. It was very fantastic. We have another Chef Rahul over here. So I would ask, can you explain this dish over here? Rahul?
Sir, this is pane alfredo.
Pane Alfredo. Okay.
Yes, sir. The main ingredients in this main sauce is the bechamel sauce.
Bechamel
Bechamel
sauce.
sauce.
Okay.
And main ingredients is sir pasta,
Alright.
pane pasta and milk.
Mm-hmm.
So from starting onwards, we just like our sir said, we boil the milk with nutmeg. There also we crush it. No, it's not required. Thank you. So sir, we boil the milk. Yes, and then we add nutmeg. And
Okay.
like shredded onion, which Rahul sir explained, a piece of onion,
Half cut
cloves
of
and
onion.
bay
Okay.
leaves, yes.
With cloves. Okay.
Yes, sir. So we boil it and make sir bechamel sauce.
Bechamel sauce.
Bechamel sauce.
All right.
So after it, we take pasta.
Pasta. Okay.
Yes, pasta we boil it.
Boiled it. Okay.
Yes, sir. And then we take chopped garlic and we
Alright.
saute them with butter,
All right.
grilled garlic,
Okay.
and then we toss pasta with this,
Okay.
and we serve it with bechamel sauce.
Bechamel
Okay, can
sauce.
you show the texture of pasta with help of fork?
Sir, it's creamy. The creamy and sir, little bit of creamy texture is its have,
Okay.
and the flavors are enhanced because the fresh cream is also in this.
You have added some fresh cream.
Fresh
into
cream
it.
is also.
All right. Very good. Very good. Chef Rahul, do you want to add anything into this?
No, sir, he has explained very good.
Alright.
At last, we served it with the seasoning of a thyme leaf.
Thyme leaf. All right. Very good. It's actually looking very nice. Okay. Very good. All right. Then coming to our third dish, that is fish fungi. All right. So I would ask Bhupender, would you be able to explain it?
Yes, sir.
Sure, please.
Sir, first of all, we
All right. What is the cooking method we have used here?
sir steaming.
Steaming. All right. Very good. Then what have you done in the starting?
Sir, we wrap the fish
Okay.
with cabbage
All right. Very good.
and we put in
For
Steamer,
steaming.
steamer.
All right. For
Steamer.
steaming. Okay. Very good. Chef Rahul, can you help him with the
Yeah,
explanation, please?
Sure, sir. As it is a fish fungi,
All right.
we have prepared fish stock for it.
Okay.
We used a piece of portion of fish in it and some meat paws, as I explained you,
Okay.
and bouquet garni.
Okay.
Till the time the stock prepares, we just put a container above it, and which has holes in it,
Okay.
and we wrap the fish portion in the cabbage leaf,
Okay.
and we put it in the top container.
All right.
As it has holes, it will be cooked by the steam of the stock.
Stock. Okay.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
It can be cooked in water, but we have cooked it in stock
Okay.
as to get more aromas and more flavor.
From the stock.
Yes, sir.
All right. Which you have already used the bouquet garni as you have explained me earlier.
Yes, sir.
So that is wonderful. Okay.
And
Good.
we have served it with blanched vegetables.
Like.
Like, sir, here it is. This one is, sir, broccoli,
Broccoli. Okay.
which is also familiar to
It comes like in family of cabbage, I
Cabbage,
guess,
yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Okay.
and
Good.
these are the flowers of the cauliflower.
Okay.
And we have used fungi,
All right.
also
that
known
is
as mushroom.
Mushroom. Exactly. Very good. Very
And
good. And
These
then
are the carrots,
carrots.
diamond
okay.
cut carrots.
Okay. That's called diamond cut.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Rahul, you stuffed some vegetable inside.
Yes, sir.
Can you show?
Yes. During steaming,
Okay.
before steaming, I'm really
Pork
sorry.
will
Before steaming, we put some vegetables inside the fish to make it stuffy.
All right.
As you can see, it is very stuffy, and the vegetables are stuffed in it.
What are vegetables there? I can see some
Yes, sir.
fungi again here.
Fungi,
Okay.
and we have lemon.
Lemon, exactly. Very good. Very
Lemon
good.
is very
Required.
good. Very good goes with the fish.
Fish, exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
And we have thyme leaves here again.
Okay,
Thyme roots, sorry.
good, good.
Yeah. And we have some carrots here.
Carrot as well. Okay, so you just stuffed it with some assorted vegetables. Very good.
So
May I
we
know
have-
what sauce you have poured over there?
So the sauce poured here is velouté sauce.
Velouté. Okay, very good, very good. Wonderful. So it looks very, very nice. All right. I believe the 3 hours, 4 hours practicals, which we always do over here,
Yes, sir.
all right, are helpful for everyone. Okay. So, okay. So repeating again, we have the 3 dishes what we have prepared today. That's pane alfredo. All right. Then we have grilled glazed chicken. All right. During the practical, we prepared it today, and fish fungi. All right. It looks very, very nice. I hope you have learned a lot today. All right. Very good. Okay. Then you look very good actually. All right, with this chef uniform. All right. So if you have any doubts with this, all right, feel free to ask us. Ask Chef Puskar, who have taught you today. Okay. And wonderful. Okay. Good to see the presentation is very, very good. Okay. Now we have put some lemon slice as well on top of this, which actually looking more, elegant now. Okay. So very good. Okay.
So that fluffy and texture of the fish in this side, this one. Okay, it is totally cooked. Yeah. Ready?
Alright. These dishes are very nice. Okay. Exact the presentation you will find in a fine dining or in 5-star hotels. Okay. Exactly. The dishes name will be same. Alright. The presentation will be exactly like this. Okay. So I believe you have learned very good today. Okay. We will continue doing this. Alright. We will continue doing our practicals, different dishes. Alright. We will learn something more. So we have to be updated all the time. Alright. So I believe, as I said, you have learned a lot. So thank your Chef Puskar, alright, for this, and we will continue further doing such practicals and sessions. Okay? Chalo. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.